You are currently standing on a rooftop. For orientation, there is a red bag on the floor in front of you. Locate this. We will use this as a reference point to locate and explain the hazards that are on this rooftop. This is your 12 o'clock position. Rooftops can present a number of different hazards. At 10 o'clock, you can see a metal pole. On the side of this is an antenna. This is a dummy, but if it was live, you would not be able to walk within 5 meters of the front of it unless it was turned off. Between 10 o'clock and 12 o'clock, you can see someone walking, connected to a cable at the side of the building. This is because there is no protection at the edge. The cable connected to his harness means that if he was to fall over the edge, he would be stopped. If you look closer to you, almost at your feet, you can see a large object. This is an anchor. It's not fixed to the roof and is removable, but this would allow a rope to be attached to enable you to work safely at the edge of the building. At 2 o'clock, you can see someone using a restraint system. The rope is attached to an anchor and starts off short. They then extend this to enable them to reach the edge that is at 6 o'clock. You can see this is a low parapet. This would be considered an unprotected edge, so you would need to be 2 meters away from this unless you were attached. You're safe where you're standing, as there is a barrier on top of the wall. But if you stepped 2 meters to the left where you are looking at, you would be in the unprotected area. If you look over the wall, you can see a ridged roof. These are all fragile surfaces. If you were to walk in the valley between these, you would need something to protect the surfaces to prevent you from falling through. At 7 o'clock, you can see some faded white and red chains. These are fine for marking out the 2-meter safe zone from an unprotected edge. They don't need to be structural, because if you lean on them and fall, you're still 2 meters from the edge and therefore safe. At 5 o'clock, you can see a flue. We don't know what's coming out of that, but there could be dangerous gases and fumes. Take a good look around to get used to the 360 experience.